Hello everyone, welcome back to the Ivy's YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to show how you can connect your PostgreSQL into Python. And I will show you how you can do it step by step. So let's jump into this video and see how it's going to work. So right now I'm coming to this PGAdmin 4 and then you required one particular server. So there are two servers, this 18 and 17. So in this 18 server, they have a three database I have. So under this IV2 database and schema, under the schema section and under the table section, there is something called a employees table. So if I write a command got select asterisk from employees, and if you run it, and you will see all the information of employees, correct? Now, what I want exactly, I want to run this query into the Python. So let's come to this Jupyter. Okay, I'm using Jupyter environment. If you have a VS Code, that is also work for you. So let me create a one blank notebook, and click on the kernel. Now, first thing first, you need to install library. So the library that we are going to use, which is called pip install psycho pg2, and if you run it, and since I have already installed, it's saying requirement already satisfied, and I'm going to go to the next step. And in your case, you will see the downloading will be start and it will install. Now, what I want, I will say import the name of the library, and then what I want to create a variable. Con is a variable. Con is equal to the name of the library dot connect open bracket, and then afterwards I will write some parameters that I'll pass with the connect function. So the first parameter is dbname, which is the database name. Okay, and then what I want, the next parameter would be the, let's say, user is equal to, and then the next parameter will be the password, and the next parameter will be the host, and the last one, which is the port. Now, how do you get all this information? So come to this PGAdmin 4, come to this connection, the one that you have all the database, the one that contains the employees table. Click on the connections, click on the properties. Under the connection section, you will see all the information. This is your local host. So I'll copy the local host, and under the local host, I will put in the pair of the double quote and put a comma. And then I'll put the port number in the last one, the port number, password. Let me write the password of the connection 12345. That is the password, and put a comma. Username. So user, you will write this particular user. Postgre is a user in the pair of double quote. Put a comma, and then the database name. So I have in the IV2. So I will write the database name IV02, and there you go. That we have successfully run it. It's saying the syntax error, one comma, we are missing it, comma. And now if you run it, see, it's working perfectly fine. Now, what I need then, I need to create an object. So the object will become called as a cursor object. Okay. Okay, the cursor object to execute the SQL command. Okay. Now, what I need to create first a particular variable. So C, you are a variable, con variable, the one's cursor function. Okay. Now once I've created that, then I will call the function cur, the variable name, and execute function dot execute. And in the this particular parenthesis, what I need to do, I need to write the SQL query. So the SQL query would be select asterisk from employees. Now, once I write the query, now what I need rows variable that will fetch all the data for me. So rows equal to cur dot fetch all function. Fetch all function, it will do what? Fetch all the records from the executed query. Okay. Now, what I need, I will run a loop for row in rows print row. Okay. As you can see, all the particular everything will be come into this particular output. Now, once you got this data set, now what else you can do? You can insert a lot of query as well. For example, let's say I want to insert some row, so I can use the same particular command, which is curl execute open packet, and then what I will paste a query. Let's say I'll copy this command and paste it over here and run it. Now let me change the name. Let's say I will change to Naveed, and then I will change to, let's say, RN. And now if you come over here and then you write con dot commit open bracket close the bracket, and then what you need to do, you need to write cur dot close. Now, why do you need a close command is very important. Close the cursor connection and free the resources means that you can close the particular uh, command that you're going to execute. Now, if you run it, and now let's run all the query again. As you can see, the data is particular loaded in the table as well. So that's the way you can use Postgre in the Python. So I hope you guys enjoy this video, and I hope you guys learn how you can connect your PostgreSQL into Python. And do let me know in the comment box what else topic that you want to discuss. I'll see you on the next video.